Dear students, I welcome you on behalf of DIAS India to our incoming orientation program, which is going to be held on this Sunday, 8th of August at 10:30 a.m. You can join the program offline as well by giving us a phone call. It is strictly on the basis of booking in offline mode, that is in classroom, which is located at Karol Bagh, opposite pillar number 94 of Dwarika Metro Line. Then this program will be live in our YouTube channel as well as on our Facebook page. You will be shared a link. You can join from comforts of your home. In this seminar, you will be introduced with civil services as a career option. Civil services offers a very good and challenging career to the youths of our country. You get a passport to manage the affairs of the country for long run. We will be answering your all queries regarding civil services, how to prepare, what is expectation, how you can prepare this course along with your university studies. This year we are going to come up with a holistic complete program in general studies for 3 years, 2 years and 1 year program. 3 years program coupled with your university education. From first year onwards, when you are going to join universities in Delhi or anywhere in the country, you can join our program. It will groom you for a brilliant career in civil services. What is the need of this exam? What kind of personality traits this examination is looking into? What are the subjects which you need to study? Our experts will be answering your all queries. Right now, we are having best faculty in the country. We have got a good management team. We are fortunate to have the leading luminaries like my dear friend K. Siddharth, my dear friend A.P. Oja, R. Pathak, and above all, dearest of all, and a great manager and great friend and motivator and social worker from Northeast, Mr. Raju Barua. We have got a brilliant team of 12 faculty members drawn from best of the institutes in the country. I hope this learning experience will be a great boon to you. Thank you. I invite you on the orientation program on this Sunday, 8th August, 10:30. Once again, thank you.
I have known Vajpayee Sahab since a long time, in the sense that is all the way from almost 2000. We have a common bond in the form of physics. That is his subject, he is the master of it. And I used to be asking a lot of concepts from him with respect to physics. In fact, one of the most common topics between us had been Fujiwara effect, which has been his research topic, but for me, it was a mechanism for the origin of tropical cyclones. Other than that, we have shared a lot of common bonds with respect to my research work and sharing of common vision for India as well at the same time. Now, having said that, we have talked quite often, and when I used to be full-fledged in civil services field, I used to be calling him quite often to interact with my students at that point of a time, and he had been able to oblige me as well in that case. He had interacted with the students, Hindi students, girl students, career security program students, and it has been, I'm fond of him in the sense that is, he looks pretty sweet to me. That is what is my bond with him. Rajiv Barua, I have known him since he was in Sankalp days, and he has been a doyen in that field, in running an NGO, in running how is it that the students could go to benefit out of it. And it was in recent interaction of late that we came to know, that is, I came to know essentially that he is trying to restructure his entire organization, trying to start a general studies batch in this case. Now, all the experiences that I going to be having with respect to maybe essay, my subject, my other subjects as well, and my being a polymath, which people happen to be calling me, that will be with Vajpayee ji. I normally don't going to be taking classes anywhere, but if need be, Vajpayee sahab calls me and I'll be there for him, and this only because I have a special liking for him and I have learned so much of it. I'll go on to want to repay it back to him. So we wish all the students who are going to be part of it all the best for their career, all the best for their studies, and all the best for being in DIAS.
Jai Hind friends, I am glad to inform all my Northeast friends that as per the vision of our former Prime Minister Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, DIAS India is active to help our friends in the field of civil services. First of all, I want to thank Mr. Rajiv Barua from Assam, who has done a very hard work to promote this venture. He is active in Assam, he is active in Dibrugarh, he is active in Delhi, and he is not active now. I have seen him being active in this field for past 20 years. He is a good friend, he is a good motivator, and he is a helping hand to all the students irrespective of any territory of India. A very well-known name, Mr. Rajiv Barua. Then the best faculty of DIAS India, Sir D.P. Vajpayee sir, K. Siddhartha sir, the invincible man in geography, then Ravi Patak sir, then I am also the part of that team. And on 10:30 a.m. on 8th of August, I invite all of you to attend my seminar. Thank you.